Here I have MOTOROLA Moto X40, and today I'm going to show you how to enter fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume up. Tap power off, and after your device turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option recovery mode. When you see this no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the next menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option enter fastboot. And after that, you will end up in the fastboot mode. So here, just like in the previous mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.